Morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's April 12th, Thursday morning. We got some export data out here this morning. USDA put corn exports last week at 975,000 tons. Trade was expecting between 650 and 850, so certainly a little positive there. Bean numbers on the other end of the spectrum. The trade was looking for 850 to 1.1 million metric tons. Came in at 636,000 tons, so well below expectations there. And wheat in the middle of the range, 400 to 600 was the estimate. 515.5 is what the USDA put out as actual sales last week. So you'd have to expect that corn could find a little support from this, maybe a little bit of weakness due to export numbers at this point in time. We also got PPI data out here this morning. That was an average of 2.8%, down from the 3.3 last month. Much lower than what trade was expecting there, but hasn't seen much reaction yet since that data came out in the outside markets, like stock market. Dollar still down about 30 points. Crude oil did drop off after the report. It's currently trading at about unchanged. Other macro news that seems to be an influence to traders' attitude is the European debt crisis has lost some of the anxiety that it's had, and is seeing a little stronger euro here this morning. We do have some important data coming out tonight. The China GDP will be released, and that will be watched very closely to see what kind of condition their economy is in. The other news, weather, looks like there's going to be some rain and some heavy rains. We're getting some forecasters now calling up to 3 inches possible, maybe even 4 inches over the next 4 to 5 days across most of the Midwest. The heaviest here early will be a line from basically Houston all the way up to Detroit. West of that line should see some moisture starting as early as tomorrow, and then moving across in a slow-moving system that actually will should provide some good rains throughout the Midwest over the next several days. So that'll slow down corn planting. However, we're hearing reports already from producers they're finished planting corn in some areas. Know in central Illinois, I've got a couple producers there that say they're done. Also talking to Indiana producers yesterday, and they have planted corn and soybeans. Several producers have got quite a considerable amount of soybeans planted already. So spring is here, and we hope that the frost stays away. There was some cool temperatures this morning over in the eastern corn belt, mostly in Indiana, over in Ohio. There is a chance that there could be some cool temperatures again tonight, but looks like that will be moving more to the eastern part of the Midwest. So expect some trading here sideways in the grain markets. They're looking for a catalyst to give us some directional move at this point in time. We're seeing a lot of spread adjusting overnight. We've seen the beans gain on the corn again with the news out with the from the export sales. Expect that we could see some reversal in that spread as we go forward here today. So a lot of spread adjusting, buying corn, selling beans, maybe selling beans, buying wheat, whatever. Those are the spreads that need to be watched closely and are giving some opportunity for trading at this point in time. In the livestock market, we got good news there overnight. Cattle futures sharply higher, up $1.70 in the April contract this morning. Hog futures are anywhere from 60 to 80 higher as well. Cash cattle started late yesterday we heard a report of 119 in Texas. By the late afternoon, packers were paying 121 to 122 in Texas and Kansas area, and that, I believe, is giving us some support to the futures. And we had a market there that was extremely oversold. And with we're also getting technical support this morning as we broke through some downtrend resistance lines. That caused some additional buying here as overnight session. So expect with the cash market as strong as it is, we could see some more short covering here in the near term in the both cattle and hogs. Cutout values were down in choice yesterday at 101. Select was up 33 yesterday, and the pork cutout values were up $1.64. So seeing some consolidation there in price, and hopefully we can see some improvement in demand as we move into warmer weekends possible. It doesn't look like this weekend will be a very good weekend for cookouts, but we're getting into the time of year where we should see some seasonal improvement and demand for higher priced cuts. I want to remind everybody we've got just a few days left on the Allendale planting special that we're running right now, $99 for 6 months of the Allendale Research Center. You can get signed up for that online, or you can call us. We'd be happy to get you signed up. Very important to stay in touch with Allendale's research. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning.